Well, today I'm replacing a blower motor. It's not working, so I'm gonna put up a new one. Okay, you need to take out 3 screws. Okay, that one over here, that one way back, that's another one here, and there's one over here. Okay, I believe it's this one, and I use a T20 plus. This one have a Phillips screw. So, and of course just a regular Phillips for the front. Unplug this one first. I don't need that plug. And unscrew this one here.
I'm gonna leave it loosely. Now you need a short, kind of short, stubby, so you can reach in the back. There's probably enough space.
Right over here. I can't see it. It should come up. And last one is this one here. So I might have to block it. And let's see, it should come out. I think I got everything, I believe. Yes, I got it out. Okay, let's compare to the old and the new one. This is the old one. This is the new one. Aftermarket. They look the same to me. Okay. So flip the old ones over. And let's flip the new ones over. Compare side by side. See that work. Now I found out this cover. This one is from the old one that fit. But the new one does not fit. But the new one has this thing right here. So maybe I don't have to use this cover. It's just to help damping the sound. Okay, see. So fit and back. Put them back in all together. I'm gonna plug it, turn on the power, see that work. Okay. Motor turn or not. Don't do like I do. I just wanna test real quick. Okay, turn it on. Put on my key. Turn it on. And I'm gonna see so that turn on now. Turn on. Still did not turn on. Nope. So even though I plug on, it's still not on. Okay, it was not on. I'm assuming this resistor is going bad. So I had to go order one, okay? So waiting for part 2. So the motor does not work. Try to change the motor for motor blower. It's not working. So I'm assuming this resistor that I also need to be replaced for this Honda motor blower. So this is a resistor. You can see. So I'm going to try that now. I know when I tested, the motor does have a power, but I have not tested this unit or the unit on the car. Okay, I'm going to try that now. Take it out. Okay, this is a unit I need to take off. Okay, so you got a screw here And the screw on the opposite side. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that one off now. Unplug that. See it right here. Finally, get it out. Tight space. Just want to come off the car. Then so fence. Look kind of thicker. So this one get them online at the market. There's no brand name. And the fence right there. Let me see, you compare fence side by side. Looks kind of same. So I'm gonna install it, okay? As you can see, I gotta hook up the new one. So before I plug them back in, I wanna turn on the ignition power. See this motor run? Okay, here I go for a second time. Turn it on. Okay. And turn on my air. Ooh, you can hear that? It's working. Hope you can hear that. Yeah. So that is that. The problem right there is the resistor. Alright everybody, thank you for following along. Turn it back off. God. See, the new one is in. It's